Hello! Let me show you how to use has or have in a sentence. Let's start with has. We use has with a noun, which means that has is used with a singular noun. If you don't know what a singular noun is, there's a link in the description of this video for you to watch the video about singular and plural nouns. Look at these pictures. John is at the park. He has 3 balloons. Mary is at the park too. She has 3 balloons. Rex is also at the park. It has 1 balloon. We can say John has 3 balloons or he has 3 balloons. Mary has 3 balloons or she has 3 balloons. Rex has a bone or it has a bone. We use has with the pronouns he, she, and it. Now let's learn how to use have. Have is used with more than one noun. It means it's used with plural nouns. Look at the picture. Liz and Sue are playing in the living room. What do Liz and Sue have with them? Liz and Sue have a doll, a teddy bear, a drum, a ball, and many other toys. Have can be also used with the pronouns they, you, I, and we. We can say, they have a drum, I have a computer, you have a keyboard, we have many friends. I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed this video as well. See you later!